afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a very short makeup look for the month of March. I've been behind, but I'm going to try my very best to get you guys I'm going to be talking throughout it, get you guys updated of what's going on as well. And we'll go from there. Now, if I don't, because I'm focusing on makeup and I haven't been putting on makeup in some time, then I'll definitely have another video on like an update to explain to you what's going on and things of that nature. Right now, today I have a 5-week, 1-day-old baby girl. Her name is Sherly Smith, and she is in the back right now. She's in her crib right now here in the room, and if she clearly wakes up and I'm not complete, it's because of her, and I'm nursing her and things of that nature. So that's one of the biggest change and shift that I have right now. But let me go ahead and try to get into the makeup quickly before I run out of time. It's very hard to just adjust, let alone find my camera and things of that nature. But we are going to move right along. And I can't find anything that belongs to me, which means people have been touching things. So I'm just going to be just winging majority of what I'm doing. And I just wanted to do a really nice soft look for March. How are you guys doing? I miss you guys so much. I'm just here adjusting and maintaining and trying my best to figure out where my stuff are. So I don't know where anything is, but we'll start with the brows. I don't see the Anastasia dip brow in ebony at all. So I'll be using the brown power, and I feel like I need more than this to start my brows. I think it was a little bit hard for me to get some kind of pigment on here, but definitely. And then the brush. How are you guys doing for March? I just really been out of everything, really. I am a mother of 4 now, so it's going to be a little bit harder to film like how I want right now until the newborn phase is out of the way. And I kind of have a routine with her right now. She doesn't have any kind of routine. I don't sleep at night, so it's majority of the time you're just winging the day. Winging the day, making sure that she eats, I eat, and that's really like the main focus at this time. So we'll see. Clearly I haven't done makeup because I don't know where any of my items are. So we are clearly winging everything today. She was born in January. This has no color. This is not what I normally put under my brow. Oh, you know what? It's in my hospital bag. All the small essentials are there. So it's in my hospital makeup bag, and I don't know where that is. So that's that. This is obviously a very soft look that I'm going to be doing. Everything went well by the grace of God. I'm very thrilled that everything went smooth. It was just such a warrior wort. Is that how they say it? And I just felt like she needs to come out, but she was a very pleasant pregnancy, and everything went well. I'm going to be doing the photo finish smooth and blur as my primer. It's weird not going out for my birthday, which is fine. I'm okay with that. My gift was my daughter, so it was very unique because I had such a vision for my 40th that I had for 5 years in my mind. And then I just realized it was just definitely not going to happen. So I was pretty upset about it because it's been planned out. for a forever time thing, because it's a very big milestone to be 40 and doing things that I really wanted to do on that day. I just threw it all to the side. You know, it costs money and baby costs money, so you kind of just sacrifice from there. And that's what I did. Right now, I don't have any responsibilities besides taking care of my daughter, which is good. So that's where I am. I am trying to find a sponge. Okay, I got one right here. And I'm going to use the Max Studio Fix Fluid in the color NW44. And I'm just thinking about March. March is normally March Madness, where there's just so many cool activities and programs that's happening that I won't be able to do. One is going to be going to the fair. I love the fair. It's a tradition of mine that I had since I was a kid. So I know my kids are going to go. I know that the school is taking them on a field trip to the fair, and so they'll be able to go multiple times. You know, go on the weekdays with the school, and then on the weekends with the family. And I really miss eating the little whatever new thing that they have out there. And they'll probably bring me back an elephant ear, which is pretty normal. Right now, I'm just gonna focus on the baby's baby dedication, which is gonna happen in April. Something else is happening in March. Jazz in the Gardens. Oh, I won't be able to do that either. So much cool things that normally happen in March that I just can't do right now. I will have to wait. This is next year. This is the MAC prep. I feel like my face is kind of dry, so I just wanted that to break it down a little bit. That's why I sprayed it on. And now I am looking for my concealer. And this is going to be the Super Stay Better Skin in the color Deep. I'm going to put this under my eye, just one swoop.